Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Surface Pro step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Surface Pro and ensuring all components are present. Next, unfold the device to access the screen. Press and hold the power button located on the upper edge until the Microsoft logo appears. Select your preferred language from the list displayed on the screen. Connect to a Wi-Fi network by choosing your network and entering the password. Once connected, the Surface Pro will check for updates and may take several minutes. After any updates are installed, you will be prompted to sign in. If you have a Microsoft account, enter your email and password. If you do not have an account, you can create a new one or choose to set up a local account. Agree to the terms and conditions that appear during the setup process. Customize your privacy settings based on your preferences. You will then be asked to set up Windows Hello for enhanced security. This may involve facial recognition or fingerprint scanning, depending on your model. Next, configure Cortana, Microsoft's digital assistant, if you wish to use it. Once you've completed these settings, your Surface Pro will finalize the setup. At this point, you can explore the pre-installed applications on your device. Check for additional updates to ensure your device runs optimally. Customize your desktop by arranging icons or changing the wallpaper as desired. Finally, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the touch gestures and keyboard shortcuts. Your Surface Pro is now ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.